Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to add relationship with someone on Facebook. But first, you need to download Facebook and to have a relationship with someone. Just kidding. Okay, let's click Facebook. By the way, this is a fake account. So here, let's go to the three lines on the bottom beside notification. So let's stop menu. And then let's click your profile. So with a picture here, let's click that one. And then let's go to edit public details. And then let's click relationship status under details. Sorry. Okay, so here add a relationship status. And then let's click this one here, relationship status in a relationship. And then tag someone, and then here a fake account. So let's stop that. When did you start? Okay, 2020. And then let's say February, and then let's say a Valentine's Day here, 14. How about that? So let's save it, then loading, and then it will be pending unless your girlfriend or boyfriend will accept that. So yeah, that's it. Save it. So yeah, here, in relationship with someone and it is still pending. So yeah, I hope this video will help you and I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.